Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Kenya Dawes Plan, aka Husbay, kicking it with you guys today. Yes, it is the Valentine's Day takeover, the special where I step in for the Mrs. and actually talk about her spread. So now we're going to be working on her creative journal spread. So I'm just going to tell you guys like this: if you're ready to be entertained and get a laugh or two in, look, stay tuned. All right, so here we are, guys. Going through the sticker book of, I guess, the different ones that she want to pick out, trying to find everything that she wants to get, and as she's getting herself prepped. Excuse me. I just want to put this out there that for the ones of you who've never heard me do this before, I did this last year, and I guess because I had a good feedback. And let me say, look, I want to thank you guys for the shout outs, the comments last year. Like, it meant a lot, and I didn't think I was going to be doing this again, but here we are. So, all right. So, my wife is in here with the cheat code with the whiteout. And hey, guys, look, let me tell y'all, I am not a professional. Let me just put this out here now for y'all. Get the judging. I support the planner community. I'm 100% down, but I am clueless when it comes to all this stuff. But you know what? We're going to make it do what it do. So we got the hearts here. Look like we're just cheating. Okay, so we're getting tape, laying it down. I don't know, man. I really want to say appreciate you guys' support and everything that y'all been doing for my wife. This has really been cool. This has been a lot of peace for her and for me as well. I don't know. I've become deep into the planning community. All right, let's see what she's doing though. She is tracing the hearts. So I guess I'm assuming she's drawing hearts on her page. You know, see the boom. That boy's smart. Yep. Boom. So she uses it as a stencil. Boom. Okay, baby, I see you. Do your thing, girl. Yes, indeed. For all y'all new people, don't take no notes from me because I may mislead you, but I will entertain you. And for all the veterans, yeah, get your laugh on because this is understood. Is she shading in? She was doing something there. I ain't gonna lie, guys, I'm a little lost. But okay, it's all good. All right, so what we got? We got our first sticker book and seeing what we're gonna pull. Okay. Better lay that down, girl. Better give this some flavor. Man, you better put all this cool stuff in these hearts. And hey, it can't be Valentine's Day without hearts. I'm sorry, y'all. So more than likely, this page probably gonna be loaded with hearts. And just like she's doing these hearts, hey, make sure that y'all are filling y'all hearts with good things throughout this day, throughout the year, because guess what? It is Love Day. So keep spreading the love and the cheer. Ooh, man, I forgot how this goes, man. But all right, twist it, turn it, lift it. Hey, I really think y'all be cheating with these tweezers, because man, that is a cheat code within itself. Because let me tell you, I'd have been ripped that sticker all the way up. But my baby a professional with that thing. All right, well, she's lifting back up. Well, guess it didn't like that idea. No sign. Oh no, she laid it back down. Okay. Whoop. And okay. All right. So like she just centered it. Okay. And guys, look, I know that I'm supposed to be talking throughout this whole video. I'm gonna try my best. Throw it a little light, a little scratchy, but it's okay. We're gonna make it happen. So looks like, yeah, we performing surgery on this heart. This one of those special hearts right here. So we remember that heart, y'all, because he a little special. He deserved a little bit more attention than everybody else, clearly. Well, look like my baby, she's lining them all up, getting everything, I guess, out in design. Man, another Valentine's Day. And for all the people that's on, this actually makes 16 Valentine's Days that me and my baby have celebrated together. So we'll give a hand clap or a shout out. Like I said, Love Day is a pretty special day. And like I said, I hope everyone is enjoying and somebody Valentine and being Valentine and being good, a good Valentine. And eat enough candy for me, especially chocolate. All right, let's she perform a surgery right there to get that one down smooth. Boom, so we in there, okay. And looked like she was counting, but then stopped. Changed her mind. Yeah, didn't like that one. Man, let me tell y'all something. Y'all creators, man, I give y'all so much props, man, because there's a lot of decisions to be made. Laying down, picking up, change my mind, don't like it, twist it, turn it, upside down, all around. Hey. Okay, she got it. There we go. All right. So it look like we've completed that part. So we got hearts on the page, which is, I guess, the start, the kicker of the page. She pulling out a trusty marker pen. You know, that come from y'all. I call it the trick bag. You know, the Happy Planner bag. You know, y'all just throw pens in. I think y'all just shake it up and pull one out. Yeah, that's what it look like happening. Like she just pulled one out and start putting little hearts, putting little designs in there. Okay, you better work that. Yes, my baby is creative, y'all. Like, and I don't know. I don't have an eye for this stuff. So this is like, when I see it, I be like, oh, gotcha. Because I be lost. I am not that guy when it comes to designing. Quite sure a lot of y'all significant others probably feel my pain too. All right, so she put out another trust pen. So she shook the bag up, pulled another pen out, and now we dropping dots? Yeah, look like she's just adding some more flavor color in. Get it, baby. Get it. You know, man, as a creator, man, y'all really do a lot. Like, it's more than just laying stickers. Y'all are artists. Like, y'all draw, y'all color, y'all paint. Y'all just make this stuff look real good. And she done. Okay, look like she tattooing the heart. Yes, look like the heart is now being tattooed to the page. Yep. At least that's what it looked like, because I know when I got my tattoo, man, and that hurts. Just sitting there just taking that paint over and over and over. But hopefully this one feels good. As she goes around and finish up with her dotting. Dot. Okie dokie. All right, so she pulls out this box. Excuse me, guys. This box sticker book. So I guess she's deciding what boxes she actually wants to use. All right, and there go the cheat sheet, which is the wax paper, baby. The ultimate cheat sheet where you can just lay a sticker down. If I don't like it, move it, slide it, grit it. You know what? Whoever came up with using wax paper on this, let me tell you something. You are a genius. Whoever done this. And look like she's thinking about letters. Yay, nay. Maybe so. Let me see. She got the boxes to the slant, to the side. Oh, no. All right, another sticker book, more boxes. Maybe she's looking for more color. And look, let me tell you something. As a creator, man, y'all be some of the most decisive, indecisive, undecisive, underdecisive people. Because, man, y'all go from, I think y'all pull a whole sticker book on a wax paper to only pull about 3 stickers off of it. Hey, I'm just being funny, y'all. Don't attack me. I promise. I just like to have fun. But seriously, I respect all the work. I really do. Because I know I be giving my baby a hard time too. But at the same time, I'm her biggest fan. So I guess I can do that. Because I'm husband. Look like we're still looking, searching. Oh, I guess she didn't see nothing there that she liked either. And, well, no, we made a cut. Maybe not. Still searching, still looking. Hey, like I said in the beginning now, just in case some people just jumped on, I am not a creator. This is not my profession. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just talking. But now for all the new people on here, if you're new to the planning community and everything, hey, look, I probably make some sense to you, but everybody else is probably just eating popcorn laughing right about now. Like talking about Kenya's husband. All right, so first box. And we got it. Whoop. Maybe it wasn't not straight enough. Whoop. Let's lift it, lay it back down. There we go. All right, so we're getting that red boxes in. Of course, you got to do red. I mean, come on now. It is Valentine's Day. You cannot do the spread without hearts and without red. I'm just saying. Like, literally, red's my favorite color, so hey. That's why I go hard for it. All right, so she put that one back. Oh, no, she didn't. All right. So it made the cut look like. And she put out another sticker book with like some more hearts in it. Okay. Decisions. Look how you just slide it around. And look like it ain't gonna. Oh, there we go. All right. And look like we're getting our boxes in place. Well, we're trying to get them in place, so at least get them lined up. I'm telling y'all, man, y'all are pros, because I feel like I've been tore this sticker up. I've been ripped the paper up. Yeah. This is not for me. I'm just letting y'all know. All right, back to the box sticker book. And let's see what she's going for. Oh, so I'm a little thicker. Oh, no, it's small. I thought it was thicker. Okay. So she, like, occupies some space. Okay, no, that's not going to work. X-Acto knife, take it up. Let's lay this one down. Okay. And all right, we're gonna overlay that one. Boom. Okay, baby, I'm following your direction. That girl, look at that up there. Okay. The car ain't gonna make it. Oh, no, car didn't make the cut. Had to put it back in the garage. All right. Let's get our other boxes up. Connect that box. Boom. Man, this is crazy. It's like this looks totally different just from a few minutes ago already. Yo. Once again. Oh, well, we got the washi out. Like, golly. Like, that's a lot of washi. Like, I guess this came in the Be Happy boxes, I'm assuming, from this year, last year. I don't know, man. We got so much stuff. I'm starting to wonder some of this stuff is stolen the way it be coming in so fast. But, I'm playing, y'all. I'm playing. Nah, it's legit. All right, so we land washi down at the bottom. Where we started, and then kind of like stop. So, okay, there we go. Boom. And we peel that up. What was that? Okay. You better be doing some layering. Well, look like we got a little indecisiveness there. I'll peel the tape up so we can get to the other edge of the page. Okay. Oh, well, there go that cheat code. That white out. Yes, to make the page clean and clear. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I was like, my wife asked me the first time to buy some white out. I was like, man, you making that many mistakes? She was like, no, I got to get the boxes colored out. I was like, oh. It's like, girl, you act like you can't write. All right, let's see. So we got the washi going across the bottom. Let's go and clip the ends on it. Okay. So look like she's liking that one. Look like we're going with one across the top. Maybe not. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay. Yeah, girl, you better add that flavor. Look at this. Man, this is crazy how this is coming together. Wow. Loving it already. Okay. Like, we finna use another strip? No. Maybe. Yes. So, no. Take it away. Okay. All right. Well, back to another sticker book. Look like we're pulling out little hearts. I told y'all once again, hey, you can't go wrong with hearts. I mean, it's Valentine's Day. I mean, come on now. You can't go wrong with hearts. So if you filled your page up with hearts, you did all right, in my opinion. All right, let's see what else we're looking for. Is she pulling numbers? Oh yeah, that's right. Got a number of days. Need to know what the days are of the week, huh? Because this is a undated planner. Get in there, baby. Go ahead and get the days of the week up. I just had to put that out there just in case some of y'all didn't know. Because, I didn't know for a second. So, just in case I went by myself. Yeah. All right, so we got the days numbered. All right, look like she just pulled out an eraser. Now, where did the eraser? What in the? And had to erase the outline. That's right. So the heart can look a little fresh. Okay, girl. You better know what you're doing. Because my little slow self, I probably would have left the little lines around it. Good job, baby. All right. Oh, it looks like she's performing surgery. Look at that surgery. Oh, that girl is a pro with that knife. Yes, look at her. Let's split the page. Let's lift the tape. Okay, boom. Shake it around and boom. Then she hit y'all with it. Look at that. This is the final product. So, and I must say, man, this turned out amazing. So good job, baby. Look, guys, thank y'all for watching. Look, please subscribe, like, share. And man, if y'all enjoyed your boy today, please show some love in the comments. And anything else, thank you guys, and we will see y'all later.